everyone, it's Miss Julia. I just wanted to show you a nice fun science experiment today. Because today is a rainy day, we're going to do a nice rain in a jar science experiment. So I hope you guys get excited. It's a very nice, simple experiment. So today all you need is some shaving cream, a glass or a plastic jar, preferably is one you can see through, and then some food coloring. So let's get started. So you're gonna take your glass or plastic jar and you're gonna fill it with water. I filled it up around a little more than halfway, just enough so you can see what's gonna happen and so you have enough room for the shaving cream. So our next step is we're gonna add some shaving cream and food coloring together. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Let's see. Oh, the shaving cream is a bit old, so that's okay. There we go. Nice and fluffy. So we got a nice big cloud. As you can see, it's starting to expand like clouds do. And I have a question for you. What do you think is gonna happen once I add the food coloring? So take some guesses and you can write them in the description below. What do you think is gonna happen? And then now let's see. So let's see once we add a few more. So here's one drop, if you can see that. Here is a nice thick drop. Let's see, we might have to wait a little bit and see what's gonna happen. So we added some nice heavy food coloring to our shaving cream. And then, there we go. So as you can, So as you can see, it's starting to travel down our cloud. So our shaving cream represents the cloud. And you know, it's taking its time, but it's getting there. It's getting there. I know you can use as much or as little food coloring as you want on whatever color you like. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. I know today's a kind of rainy day, so I feel like it's perfect for today. You know, so now it's just a little waiting game. And then, let's see. So as you can see, I added more food dye. So it's okay in this experiment to add as much food dye as you think you need. And now look, as soon as we added some more food dye, you see it's starting to rain down in our jar. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So as you can see, the longer you wait with this experiment, the more water or more food coloring move through your clouds. So if you want to leave it out for the day in a nice place where the water won't tip over or anything like that, so you can see how much rain you put in your cloud is also a cool suggestion. Also, as you can see, I added some green food coloring. So maybe if you want to try in another jar or container and try with different food coloring combinations and see what you get, that would be a nice fun experiment too as well. To give you guys an explanation of this experiment, the shaving cream is our cloud. The food dye is the water in the cloud. And as you know, for rain to happen, a cloud has become really heavy with moisture. So this is kind of like a nice simplified view, like you're adding more moisture to your cloud, and once there's enough moisture, thanks to gravity and the water in the air, it's gonna come down as rain. So I recommend you guys to check out some nice cool rain books, either on Hoopla or Libby, if you guys want to learn more about how and why we get rain every day. And because, you know, as they say, April showers bring May flowers, it's a very nice, timely activity. So hope you guys enjoyed this science video. There will be another science video next week, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. So thank you.